Morning.
Good morning.
Look, we're tired. It is 7:40 in the morning. We've already had breakfast and we're now here ready to turn the lights on.
Much quieter at breakfast today.
Yeah.
Because we went earlier.
Yeah. That means we had to get out of bed earlier.
I'm so tired, I don't think my brain's working anymore.
It is day 4. Is it? Day 3?
Day four. Day 4.
So we are doing our last day here in the prayer room. We need to turn all the lights on.
And set up the space.
All the little candles, make sure that there is fresh paint ready for all of the beautiful pictures that people will paint.
Yep.
And we've got to prepare for a seminar.
Yep, and then we need to prep for a seminar for 10, so busy morning.
Yeah. Speak to you later.
Hello, welcome to the last day of Spring Harvest. This here is where we've been eating food, so all that content that you've been seeing, that's where it's been filmed from. There is some little carts that Amanda's going to go on later.
I'm trying to persuade Em to go on. She says no.
Then she's going to have a little play in the old train, what's it called?
Monorail.
Monorail, that's the one.
Shall I stick my head behind the camper fan?
Okay, yeah. She's going to stick her head behind a camper fan. Oh, it's all brown. It's got the beach behind it. Great. Arcade. Shop. Bin. That's our team office just there. This is our studio. One of those carts nearly running me over. So we just walk down here. Here is our prayer room with the different sessions. Only one left now, look.
Have lemon and stem ginger. It had a nice piece of ginger on the top. I do really like ginger. And the fluorescent jelly, not jelly, custard. Fluorescent custard. There is also fluorescent jelly. We've got jelly on the way. It's okay. Warm lemon cake.
You got caught.
It's like a warm lemon sponge with bits of ginger on the top. It's nice.
Oh, okay. Is it, how does it compare to the chocolate orange?
Okay.
How does it compare to chocolate orange?
I think I prefer it to the chocolate orange one actually.
Very good. My dinner was very, very spicy. Yeah, just there were no words. Hello. Hi. Are you coming to say hello? Hi. What have you got there? What have you got there? It was lovely to meet you. Look how close this bird is to me. It does not care. It wants those bits of... I don't even know what it's eating. How excited are you to go to the beach?
Well, the sun is out this time and the gate is open.
Yeah.
So,
it is still quite cold though, and a little bit windy.
It is.
But already winning that the sun is out and the gate is open.
I feel like this is the first time I remember the sun being out, but I know it has been out. But...
I think today has been the best weather so far.
Yeah, I agree. I've not got wet yet.
That's, yeah, always positive. Yeah. You have dropped your ice cream, so you'll need to go back and pick that up.
I just think for a minute that I'd actually dropped something.
Jordan, look, sandy beach. They do exist in the UK. It's very windy. There we go, there's the beach. Let's take a deep breath, so we breathe in slowly. And then we're going to breathe out slowly. We're going to breathe in and breathe out. And we remember that God is here. And so together we prepare ourselves to be with God. Just locked up the Prayer House. Goodbye, Prayer House 2023. I'm just going to drop the key back now and then head back to find Amanda and the others. The Sky Park is closed, otherwise I would definitely be going down that slide right now. Kind of sad. Would quite like a late night. No kids go testing out the park. Never mind. It does actually look quite pretty at night. It feels very still and peaceful.